Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to give you a complete review of macOS Sequoia 15.6 and answer the key question: is it worth updating in 2025? So let's start with the headline features. The biggest addition is native window tiling. Drag a window to the screen's edge, and it snaps automatically into place. Apple finally built this into the OS itself. Then there's iPhone mirroring for controlling your iPhone directly from your Mac, a brand new Passwords app that's much better than the old keychain, and significant Safari enhancements as well. The game mode has also been highly improved for better gaming performance, and there is also a smaller addition like Math Notes, where the calculator can solve handwritten equations directly in the Notes app itself. So now here's what you need to know about compatibility. Sequoia supports Macs from around 2018 to 2019 and newer, including all M1 and newer Apple Silicon models. You'll need 35 gigabytes of free storage space for installation and at least 8 gigabytes of RAM, though 16 gigabytes of RAM is recommended for the best experience. If you have a MacBook Air from 2019, MacBook Pro from 2019, iMac from 2019, Mac Mini from 2018, or any newer Mac, you are good to go. Older models, unfortunately, aren't supported.
Performance is solid across the board. Boot times are faster, app launches are snappy, the system stability is excellent. This is with the mature 15.6 release. Battery life is also good on laptops, and the biggest performance gain is in gaming, where game mode really makes a difference with significantly better frame rates. And overall, you are getting a stable performance operating system that handles everything from basic tasks to professional work very well. Now let's dig into the features you'll actually use. Window tiling works intuitively, so drag to the edge for a half screen or a corner for a quarter screen layout. It also eliminates the need for third-party window managers. iPhone mirroring requires the same Apple ID and network connection, but when it works, it's seamless and great for app testing or accessing iPhone-only features without picking up your phone. The new Passwords app is a huge improvement over keychain access. It has a clean interface, password health monitoring, and breach alerts, and it makes password management actually pleasant. Now, let's be honest about the downsides.
Some older apps might have compatibility issues. The installation also takes 45 to 90 minutes of downtime. And this isn't a revolutionary update, more evolutionary. But the upsides are native window management, enhanced security features, much better gaming performance, improved device integration, and excellent stability, since this is the mature 15.6 release. And if you decide to update, here's what to expect. First, back up your Mac and ensure you have at least 35 gigabytes of free space. The download is 12 to 15 gigabytes, and the installation takes about 45 to 90 minutes. So plan for this during downtime when you don't need your Mac. And check crucial app compatibility first, especially professional software. The bottom line is Sequoia 15.6 is recommended for most users, but it's not urgent. So update if you want native window tiling, use multiple Apple devices, care about the latest security updates, are an occasional gamer, or like having the newest features. And simply wait if you rely on older software that might have issues or have limited storage, or can't afford the downtime or are perfectly happy with the current macOS version that you have. This is a very solid update that enhances the Mac experience without major risks. So that's it. That's my complete review on macOS Sequoia 15.6. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.